Now take this other section that we cut and do the same thing, fold it down so that it hides this pleat fold. Fold it down and then fold it to the other side. Turn the unit over and we can see here's our other pectoral fin. Fold it like we did with the other one along the side of the head. Do a pleat fold. Now this time we are going to reverse these pleat folds. Reverse it so that it folds the other way. This way we can stick this pleat fold right in between this pocket and hide it. Our pectoral fins. Now turn the unit up so that the folded edge, not the raw edge, the folded edge is on top. Taking the back triangle, we are going to fold it down, the folded edge along the side of the head. Fold it down at an angle like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Fold that side down. And this will be our pelvic fins, I guess. The last step is to inside reverse fold the tail. Inside reverse fold that. And take your scissors and cut down the center crease. Not all the way down, just halfway down. Refold that and take one of the sections and fold it down. And here you have your fish.